Hey guys, this is SolarRack333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers Animated Legacy Optimus Prime with the DNA Designs DK-54 upgrade kit. And I wish this kit was packaged like this, and you'll see why in a second. There he is, already combined with the alt mode, looking very nice. Now I don't know if I did something wrong, but the middle wheels, first this one is not spinning because of this piece here, and it's not really touching, so I don't know if I just haven't pegged it in all the way, so that's annoying. But overall, this thing looks great, and this is coming from a guy that was not a fan of the animated series. So yeah, don't like Beast Wars, don't like animated. But I do like these legacy versions of the characters, and this upgrade set is very nice. And looking at other reviewers, again, they all do the same thing. They start with the bot mode and then show the alt mode at the end. Just not a fan of that type of reviewing. I think when you do that, you skip some things or you gloss over some details. Plus, I don't know, I think it's just more fun to see the alt mode first and then transform them into the bot mode. Remember, they are robots in disguise. You know, why not show the disguise first? And but yeah, he does look cool despite this issue. Yeah, and once you have all the pieces attached, it just pegs into these horrible legs. I mean, that just looks ugly. It's like they phoned it in at the end, but they were able to use this as a simple way of attaching the upgrade set. So yeah, there he is. And as for the set, the axe can peg onto the side there. And what you have is this. And again, I wish it was packaged like this. I think it would have just saved space, saved packing material. And basically, you just take the whole thing apart and just unpeg here. They're attached. Oops, not there. There. And there. And they're also attached to this ladder piece here. And I think you're already going to see a problem. Yeah, this broke right out of the packaging. This is supposed to slide apart, but I didn't know that. Since everything pegs together, I assumed you just unpeg it, but don't do that because it will break these right here. Now, it would have been nice if everything had been packaged as displayed here, already disassembled. Now, here are the instructions. Very good instructions. But in the middle of the other side of the instructions is when they actually show you to pay attention to the location. So I'll take the hit. It was me, but the instructions were no help. Again, if they come like this, the natural thing to do would be like, oh cool, unpeg, boom, broke. I don't understand why they had to design this in a way where you have to go 1, 2. Just make a peg and a socket and then let the friction take care of that. So I'll have to see if I can repair this myself. Like maybe grab another piece of plastic to wedge it in there and make it peg together. I don't know. But that's annoying. Bring these up. Then you have to use the ankle tilt to bring out the heel and toes. Because that right there kind of locks the, I think I saw my earlier issue. Yeah, this locks in there like that. And so this gives it room for it to pivot. And there are the feet. You just unpeg the forearms. Unpeg this. Unpeg these. See, a lot of unpegging. Why couldn't they do that with the feet? Fold this in. Fold this out. Then separate these. Fold the hammer. That falls out. Then you have these little pieces that you need to kind of hinge forward. Now that's a concern. I see a little stress mark right there. Then you can pivot these upwards. And I have all the pieces ready to go. Oh, as I mentioned, I had family over for Thanksgiving, and my niece painted my nails all nice and pretty. She asked me, Dio, can I paint your nails? And I said yes. So here are the pieces. And here is Optimus in his robot mode, and with his mouth plate. Cannot stand Optimus with no mouth plate. Thank you, Michael Bay. So I've already attached that. It looks, sometimes I think it looks big, but then in other angles it looks fine. But this is how he's going to stay. He does come with a visor that can pivot up a little bit. And that's alright. I think the fact that it comes with a mouth plate makes it even better. There you go. And to combine him, this just pegs in very nicely right there and fits over the knee. Very simple. So that is awesome. The forearms, just leave his robot hands in the forearm, and this just pegs in right there. Again, very simple. And if you want to, you can just stop right there. I think that looks great. Then bring this back piece down, and you got 4 places where this pegs in. And for some reason this kind of fights me every time. Just peg here, 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 and here. I don't know why it doesn't line up every time I do this. Yeah, I don't know why that fights me every time. Because I didn't have it lined up. Then this pegs onto the back. And these over the shoulder. And there he is, looking awesome. As for the hammer, now I notice on my Optimus, his left arm has tighter joints than the right, so he can hold his pose with the hammer. And then I'll just give his right hand the axe. Yeah, see, very loose. Yeah, so there he is, looking awesome. It's just a shame that I had the joints on the feet break on me, because this set is very nice. And I'll show him off with the other 2 animated Legacy figures. I meant to order his upgrade set, but they sold out. But if I had to pick one, this is the one. Yeah, he look great. Guess the only one we need now is an animated Bulkhead and animated Ratchet. If they make an animated Megatron, I'll get that. I'll see how I feel about the other ones, because again, I'm not a big fan of animated. But if the animated Legacy figures are great, then I'll definitely get them. And I think this set is the best upgrade set since the old Fans Project City Commander, in terms of having a core figure and just adding on armor to improve the figure. So now I kind of want DNA Design to maybe revisit a Classics figure. What if they did their own version of the City Commander? What would that look like with modern engineering? Because attaching the pieces onto animated Prime is so easy. Attaching the upgrade sets to the City Commander, ooh, it's scary. Same goes for this guy. So it would be neat to see, hey, maybe Fans Project themselves can do it. But I think right now, DNA Designs has been winning in terms of upgrade sets. I haven't bought a Fans Project set in years. I don't even know if they're still around. But I also wanted to show one Jetwing Optimus next to another. So yeah, one Jetwing Prime with another, and let's just show off the two upgrade sets that I got. So very nice. I'm very happy with both sets. I'm going to see what I can do with that. Yeah. There are Optimus Prime with his new head, and the star of the show, animated Optimus with his set. Thanks for watching, guys.